Hello, in front of me I have FITBIT Charge 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the sleep mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our device. To do it, tap on the screen or press the touch sensitive button right here on the left side of our device. I'm gonna press the button. After you wake up the screen, you need to press and hold the touch sensitive button for 2 seconds to open this menu. And here we have a sleep icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on it. And to disable it, simply tap on the icon again. If you enable it, you can see that the screen becomes dimmer, and I believe the notifications are gonna be silenced. And if you disable it, the screen is gonna become brighter and the notifications will be enabled. Back again. You can also go to settings and enable it there. So let's swipe left on the screen to open the menu, then swipe left a few more times until you find the settings icon. Tap on the icon to enter the settings. Here scroll down and tap on the sleep mode option. And now we can enable the sleep mode by tapping on sleep mode, like this, and tap on it again to disable it. You can also tap on schedule to enable the schedule for the sleep mode, and then you can scroll down, tap on sleep interval, and here you can tap on starts, then adjust or set the hour to the time you want the sleep mode to enable itself. For example, I'm gonna set it to 6, then press the side button to go back. No. Oh, you need to, my bad. So you need to set the hour, tap on it, and you need to select AM or PM. I'm gonna select AM. Then let's tap on ends, set the hour to 10, tap on it and select PM like this. And then you can press the side button to go back like that. And that's how you enable the sleep mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.